I'm about to show y'all how I just hooked up my automated hands-free bot and connected it to my $100,000 funded account. And starting on Tuesdays to Thursdays, guess what? I'm about to start printing money. Stick around. You don't want to miss this one. Let's go!
No more 9 to 5. The wise man once said there's nothing wrong with working a 9 to 5. You feel me? No more 9 to 5. But you gotta work part-time on your future. Let's go! No more 9 to 5. We out here changing lives. No more 9 to 5. We out here changing lives. No more 9 to 5. No more 9 to 5. No more 9 to 5. We out here changing lives. They told us to do it.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Pacino, aka Mr. World Class, aka King Crypto, aka and I'm back with another banger. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop, because you know when I drop them bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers. Listen, man, today is a special treat, man. If you've been following along with this movement as I've been pivoting, showing you guys how not only am I involved in crypto, but how now I'm actually stepping into that trading world, in the Forex world. And we know that Forex is one of the biggest wealth transfers in history, right? And so I wanted to show you guys how I was going to pivot in there. And wise man once said, you know, don't work hard, work smart. So I'm showing you guys in my journey how I'm actually using automation to step into the Forex game to make passive streams, hands-free money every single day. And along this journey, I started off about 15 days ago, guys. When I showed you, I started with a prop firm, guys, by the name of M Solutions, and took their $100,000 challenge. Now, it was $450 for me to take that challenge, and so I paid that $450, and that's on my other videos. If you guys want to see the live testimonials of me walking through that, see the journey, you could see that. But I paid for that. But once again, guys, success loves speed. And so, you know, I am partnered with some experts in the Forex world that's been doing this 8+ years. Good friend of mine who's made well over $100,000 a month in Forex and has a beautiful, well managed, functioning system for hands-free income in Forex. And so I wanted to make sure I cut through the fat, since personally, guys, I'm not an expert trader. So if you're watching this, guys, listen, you think I'm some expert trader? Nope, I'm not an expert trader. So if you're not a trader, you've never even traded a day in your life, guess what? This message is for you as well. If you're an intermediate or an advanced trader and you trade, and sometimes maybe you've been trying to take challenges, and maybe you've been failing a couple of challenges, or maybe you just haven't been so consistent with getting profits and being profitable in the Forex market, this message is also for you, okay? How would you like to be able to just click a button and watch the magic happen and money is being generated? If you would like that, guys, you want to pay attention to what I'm about to show you, because I am not an expert. I am a novice when it comes to the actual art and the skill of training. Now, I am in some strategic circles and groups that I am now also learning. I'm going to class to learn the skill set. But guys, when it comes to making money, I need to make money, you know. And so I learned how to make sure that sometimes success loves speed, and it costs to be the boss. So guess what, guys? I was able to go ahead and pay the team to pass the prop firm challenge, right? So, and I showed you that as well too, where I have access to my live $100,000 funded account. And this video is going to show you guys, I just got through getting with the team, setting up my no more 9 to 5 bot, getting it set up, guys, the world class bot, and putting it on that account. Now, we're not going to start, it's the weekend at the time of this video, so I'm not going to start trading or using the automation to trade. I will do that on Tuesdays to Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'm done. Turn the bot on, let it work for a couple hours, turn it off a couple days a week, and we're gonna see, and I'm gonna show you transparent results of the bot leading all the way up to the withdrawals. In the first 30 days, I can withdraw within the first 30 days. So I'm gonna show you that as well too, kind of give you guys, you know, I'm giving you a walkthrough of everything, right? So the first thing I want to let you know is, guys, if you're interested enhanced free passive income, make sure that you click the link below. Join the Telegram group or join the Facebook group, whichever one you are comfortable with. Both links are there. Let me show you guys here real quick. If you join the Facebook group, guys, let me show you real quick. Hold on. Let me show you. If you join the Facebook group, guys, we do have a group. I like to use Facebook because I trust Facebook a little bit more. I've been using it for a long time. You get to kind of know people a little bit more. It's a little bit more personal. But we do have a Crypto Millionaires Facebook group. You can join that Facebook group. We have an actual chat as well. Now, the benefit of being in this chat, guys, is that, number one, I don't just put anybody in this chat. This is the Crypto Millionaires. These are the people that I rock with, that I trust, has proven themselves to get in here, right? Because I don't need any fudders or any bad person in here, because I'll get you out of here real quick. The group, I'm a little bit more open to having people into the group, but to get in this messenger, I gotta really personally want to put you in this messenger. But the people that's in here, guys, they get all the information. They get everything at real time, guys. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, just know you're getting it not in real time. You're getting the delayed effect. You can see people dancing and having a good time, guys. Listen, they're seeing the whole movement of what I'm doing, right? Got the bot. See what I'm saying? People asking. I'm telling them, look, they get to see the emails and everything of when it's happening, guys, right? When I get the bot, they get to see everything in here. I walk them through everything, all transparency. Look, I let them know, boom, I got the bot, I got the key for the bot. This is things that I'm walking through, guys. As I'm going through this, I'm showing them everything I'm going through as I'm going through it. They get to see every single thing I'm doing. They get to see when I make payments. You know, they see, look, I pay $800 to own the bot. Now, we have different types of bots. This one you can own for $800. If that's out of your budget, we do have $100 a month scalping bot that you can use, but it is $100 a month. And it comes with the key and everything as well too. So they get to see everything I do in here, right? They get to see the prop firm that I chose. You know, they get to see everything. So if you want to be a part of that, let me know, guys. We can get you plugged in. Click the link below. We get you plugged in. I also have a Telegram, but I'll walk y'all through that. But let me show you this, guys. Let me show you this. Okay, so you can see right here, it says, here's the key. Here's your first key, right? Here's your first bot, all right? Step by step. So they gave me step-by-step guidance. I was also able to hop on a Zoom and get a walkthrough to get everything set up as well. And then you can actually see that I have this bot as well too. Now, why am I saying that? Let me show you here. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you the screenshots. Can't show you the official emails because they got all my personal information that's also in the email. So I just took a little screenshot so I can give you at least something, right? So just showing you proof that this is how it works. So they sent over the key after I paid the experts to get everything set up for the bot. They sent me over a key with the step-by-step video, right? But I also was able to personally get walked through on Zoom, and they actually sent me the actual bot. Now, why is this important? The reason why this is important, and let me come back to you guys. Let me tell you why this is important. The reason why this is important is because there's people out there that says, oh, you know, maybe you're joining like a PAM account, or, you know, some type of protocol where they tell you if you put your money in here, we're going to trade, and then you're going to get 1 or 2% guaranteed, or 6% every single month, and we're trading. But there's no evidence that there's any traders. There's no evidence that there's any trading going on or anything of that nature. And most of these companies, they just lying. There's no trading going on. You know, it's just a straight Ponzi. And so many times people get involved in these types of business models. So we want to bring something different to the market and show you, no, how about you take control? You still have risk, guys. There's risk in anything you do, especially in investing. Is risk that you can lose money. So you always want to know that, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing the things that I'm working on, building my YouTube channel and trying to help as many people as I can learn ways to make money. So you want to be careful with the prop firm. If you're going to go with if you're going to go with like a prop firm or a funded challenge, you have to be careful with the prop firm that you choose. Even myself, guys, there's no guarantee. You still have to get your withdrawals, right? So, you know, you have to be careful with what prop firm you're choosing. But really think about the power of having a bot. The bot really does put the control back in your hand, because even if you did not have a funded account, right? Let's just say you bought the bot. Well, you can take the bot and put it on a live account, right? not a funded account, but not a funded account from a prop firm, but a live account. So let's say if you had an extra $1,000 and you put it into a live trading brokerage, and you put $1,000 there and you had the bot, well, you can connect the bot to your own $1,000 brokered account and trade it. See, and now you got the bot working for you. That's the power, is that you know that you have a bot actually trading. You have trading actually happening, not just smoking screen and mirrors. You're putting money in a wishing well, and you're hoping that trading is going on and you don't really know, you're not in control. This gives you a little bit more sense of control, which is what you're seeing me do. So while I'm using automation hands-free, guys, I'm also inside of training. I've paid to be in training so I can learn the skill set, because I understand the value of learning the skill set. But while I'm learning, I have automation put together to help me get to earning. I want to show y'all this as well too. Let me click over and show you, right? So what I had to do, they sent my credentials over. Once they sent my credentials over, let me clear this up. I had in my credentials, right? The prop firm that I went through was M Solutions. Do y'all want to see that as well? I can show y'all that if you want to see that. Let me see. Now, I'm not here trying to market M Solutions, guys. You have to choose what's best for you. I can't tell you what prop firm to choose. You got to choose what's best for you. But this is the one that I went through, which is M Solutions. Maybe I'll put I don't know if there's some type of referral link or not. If so, I'll put it down there if you guys want to go with this one. But I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research, guys, because these prop firms, some of them don't pay out. Some do pay out. This is one that I was recommended through trusted people who has used it for months. So, I mean, I'm still taking my own risk with it, right? Let's be transparent. Yes, it's paid out. Will it always pay out? Who knows? Will it pay out, be around 5, 6, 7, 10, 15, 20 years from now? Who knows? So you have to do your research, but this is the one that, one of the ones that was recommended to me, and this is the one I decided to go with. So yeah, I went with M Solutions, guys. And with M Solutions, as you can see, I have a live $100,000 account. It is active. I haven't started trading. I just put the bot up. So I will start to be able to see everything that's going on. But I want to show you, I want to take you back here, because this is where the trades will go. They're going to monitor everything from here too, because it's synced. But I want to show you here, they sent me credentials and what trading viewer to use. So they wanted me to use 8cap. So I went to 8cap and got this one, guys. And as you can see, I think I have a screenshot. If you look at this bottom one here, can y'all see my mouse? Right here in the corner, you'll see no more 9 to 5 bot. And you see it's a frowny face, right? This is because it's not trading. It's sad right now because it's not trading. But when I turn this on here, all I got to do is click this button and look, smiley face. You see? Smiley face. They both are trading. So the software is synced up to where now it's going to trade for me. I do not want to click. I would click on some things, guys, but I know if I click on some stuff, it's going to be starting to show information I do not want to show. But just know that I was able to get the script, load the script in here, guys, right? And then get everything programmed in each pair that I want. If I want to trade a certain pair that's in here, I just put it inside of my chart here. And then I pretty much will, let me use this one for example. Let's say this one right here. This one doesn't have the bot on it, right? I'm only trading 2 right now because that was the advice they gave me. They said only just put it on 2. You don't have to do multiple like that, but 2, and we're gonna test it out. But if I did want to trade here and put the bot on here, you know, all I would do is drag the file over here on top of here. I would take the bot here, which is the bot. You see the bot here, and then I would drag it on here. But I don't want it to. I don't want to do it, guys, because I don't want that to start trading. But I would pretty much drag it onto here, put the bot on here, go into the bot, set my parameter, set a couple settings, put my key on there, right? And then the bot is already programmed and the way that it needs to be. All I need to do is adjust maybe the lot size, put my key in there, and I'm done. Just come and hit this button, guys, and let the magic happen. So for all my traders that's out there trading, you're looking at the chart, you're studying the chart, you're you know, a lot of watch time on the screen, on your eyes, on the computer. Guys, listen, I'm just gonna press a button, turn it on and turn it off. Turn it on and turn it off. Turn it on, let it run for a couple hours. 12 o'clock, turn it off, and I'm done for the day. That is gonna be my trading experience. Now, I will be learning the art of trading as well too, right? I'm gonna be learning the art of trading too, because I do want to learn the art of it, right? But while I'm learning, I will be earning. As you can see, the No More 9 to 5 bot is on here. Boom, we got it set up. It's frowning right now because it's hungry. It's ready to go make me some money, man. It's ready to go make me some money. So, you know, I'm gonna keep y'all updated with everything. So you've seen this whole process, guys, from me starting the challenge, passing the challenge, getting the keys, getting it hooked up, paying for my bot, paying for the challenge to get passed, right? Now we're to the point to where Tuesday is when the trading is gonna happen. And so I'm gonna keep you updated with how the bot performs throughout the week. On here it does tell me when my my profit share, it tells me my withdrawal date, right? So October the 7th of 23 is my first time that I can request to withdraw. So a little less than a month from now. So the bot will be trading between Tuesdays and Thursdays every week between this time. And then on October the 7th, guys, I'll be putting in a request to make a withdrawal. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully I get my withdrawal. I've seen people get withdrawals from here, you know, but hey, guess what? I'm still taking my risk and being transparent with you guys, but I'll show you. But after that 30 days, then I can put in a request to make a withdrawal every 15 days. And remember, guys, my strategy is to have at least $1 million worth of funding, right? This is 100,000. Imagine having $1 million and you're earning 3 to 10% per day, or per month. Let's just say per month, right? Think about that. If you're doing that per month, that's ridiculous. If you're doing it per day, you don't even want to see those numbers. Y'all want to see those numbers? Do y'all want to see those numbers? Do you want to see those numbers? I ain't gonna show y'all those numbers. It's gonna be out of, I don't want to show y'all those numbers. I was gonna do it. I was finna pull up my calculator and do it, but I was like, nah, y'all ain't ready for all that right now. Just know, guys, I'm showing you the way. You know, if you're trying to figure out how to make you some money, you got some bags. You know, maybe you got, if you can afford $100 a month, put $500 in a brokerage account. You can start with that. You know, if you can start with let's say $100 a month with $1,000 in a brokerage account, you could start with that. That's $1,100, right? Or if you got a little bit more money to play with, you don't you want to buy the bot, a different bot, the swing trading bot, the bot that's going to be more for risk management, $800 one-time fee, and then maybe you start with $1,000 in your own account of your own money. That's $1,800 invested in. Let it start printing you money. Or if you want to scale up from that, you can get the $800 bot, start with $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in a live account, and you can do that. Or if you want to really be able to scale and get more funding, right, like I did, then you can, you know, get the bot for $800 and maybe pay $450 for a $100,000 funded account, well, for a challenge, right? If you can pass it on your own and you're a trader, just pass it on your own. And you only spent $450 to get $100,000. Go pass the challenge on your own, pay for the $800 for the bot, stick the bot on there, press a button, get passive income. But if you're like me, a novice, you don't really know much about trading, right? Then you do like me. You pay $1,000 to the expert, they go get you in front of the line to get you the $100,000, get you past the challenge. Then you got the $100,000, put the bot on that bad boy, stick it on, and let that play run. Press that button and print that money. You become the bank. My question is, who want to become the bank? No matter what, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I will keep y'all up to date on every single thing I'm doing. So that's my time, and like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top. Oh, click that button. Click that button, join the group, and click that notification. And like I say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top, because you're built for greatness. Peace. I'm out till next. Let's go.